Hello. Are you hiding your legs because of unsightly protruding veins? What if I told you that the secret to smooth, beautiful legs is right at your fingertips? Hello, dear viewers. Today I'm going to tell you about a secret that the pharmaceutical industry is trying to hide from you. This natural remedy is so powerful that it can transform your tired, vein-covered legs into smooth, healthy limbs in just a few weeks. Have you ever wondered why some people never develop varicose veins, even in old age? Perhaps their secret lies in a simple green leaf that many of us have at home but rarely use. I'm talking about the lemon leaf. In the next few minutes, I'll share with you an ancient recipe that can change your vascular health. This isn't just another internet miracle. It's a proven method backed by science and traditional wisdom. Get ready to learn how this simple leaf can be the key to eliminating varicose veins, improving circulation, and restoring your confidence. Varicose veins are swollen, twisted veins that are visible under the skin, usually on the legs. They occur when the valves in your veins weaken or become damaged, allowing blood to flow backward and pool in the veins. This causes them to enlarge and become visible. There are several factors that can contribute to the development of varicose veins, including age. Our veins lose their elasticity as we get older. Genetics. If your parents or grandparents had varicose veins, you're more likely to develop them. Pregnancy. The extra weight and hormonal changes can put pressure on your veins. Obesity. Excess weight increases the load on your circulatory system. Prolonged standing or sitting. This can impede normal blood flow. Lack of physical activity. Physical activity helps maintain good circulation. Now you might be wondering, how can a simple lemon help with this? Lemons are rich in nutrients and compounds that can benefit your overall health and are targeted at addressing the issues that contribute to varicose veins. Let's break down the key components of lemon that make it so effective. 1. Vitamin C. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that helps maintain the strength and elasticity of your blood vessels. By increasing collagen production, lemon can help improve the tone of your veins and reduce their visibility. 2. Flavonoids. Lemons contain flavonoids, especially hesperidin. These compounds improve circulation and strengthen blood vessel walls. This can help prevent the backflow of blood that leads to varicose veins. 3. Antioxidants. The antioxidants in lemons help protect your blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals. This can slow down the aging process of your veins and keep them healthy for longer. 4. Alkalizing effect. Although lemons are acidic, they have an alkalizing effect on your body after metabolism. This helps balance your body's pH levels, which is important for overall health and promotes better vein function. 5. Diuretic properties. Lemons have a mild diuretic effect, which helps your body eliminate excess fluid. This can reduce swelling and pressure in the legs, providing relief from varicose vein symptoms. Now that we understand why lemons are so beneficial, let's talk about how to use them to combat varicose veins. I'll share with you a special lemon tea recipe that can help improve your vein health when consumed regularly. But before we get to the recipe, I want to emphasize that while this natural remedy can be very effective, it's not a magical solution to all problems. It's important to combine this treatment with a healthy lifestyle, including regular physical exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and avoiding prolonged sitting or standing. So, let's move on to the recipe. Here's what you'll need to make lemon leaf tea. 2 fresh leaves from an untreated lemon tree, 300 milliliters of water, 1 tablespoon of honey, preferably heather or sage honey for additional benefits. Here's how to prepare it. 1. Thoroughly wash the lemon leaves. 2. Bring water to a boil in a small pot. 3. Add the lemon leaves to the boiling water. 4. Reduce heat and let it steep for about 5 minutes. 5. Remove from heat and strain the tea into a cup. 6. Let it cool slightly, then add honey. This lemon tea has a pleasant fresh taste and a light yellow-green color. The combination of lemon leaves and honey is not only delicious, but also provides a powerful boost to your circulatory system. If you don't have access to fresh lemon leaves, don't worry. You can still harness the power of lemon using an alternative recipe with lemon juice. Here's our favorite recipe. You'll need juice of half a fresh lemon, 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of honey. Simply mix the lemon juice and honey in warm water. This version is easier to prepare and still provides many of the benefits discussed earlier. Whichever version you choose, try to drink this tea warm on an empty stomach in the morning and in the evening before bed for best results. The combination of lemon and honey is not only delicious, but also has a powerful effect on your circulatory system. Now you might be wondering, how long do you need to drink this tea to see results? Well, every body is unique, and the severity of your varicose veins also plays a role. However, many people report noticeable improvements in their vein health after 2 to 3 weeks of regular consumption. Some notice a reduction in swelling and discomfort even earlier. In addition to drinking lemon tea, there are a few other ways to use lemon to combat varicose veins. 1. Lemon water. Start your day with a glass of warm water with the juice of half a lemon. This helps flush out toxins and kickstart your metabolism. 2. Topical application. You can apply lemon juice directly to varicose veins. Simply cut a lemon in half and gently rub it on the affected areas for a few minutes. 3. Lemon essential oil. Mix a few drops of lemon essential oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, and massage it into your legs. This can help improve circulation and reduce the visibility of varicose veins. Besides using lemon, I want to mention a few other ways to improve your vein health. 1. Exercise regularly. Low-impact exercises, such as walking, swimming, or cycling, can help improve circulation in your legs. 2. Elevate your legs. During rest, try to raise your legs above heart level for 15 minutes a day. This will help improve blood flow and reduce swelling. 3. Wear compression stockings. These specially designed stockings can help improve circulation in your legs. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to maintain good circulation and prevent blood from thickening. 5. Follow a healthy diet. Include foods rich in fiber, vitamin C, and flavonoids in your diet. Berries, leafy green vegetables, and citrus fruits are excellent choices. Now I want to answer a common question. Can lemon completely cure all types of varicose veins? The answer is no, and it's important to understand this. While lemon can be very effective for mild to moderate varicose veins and can help prevent them from worsening, severe cases may require medical intervention. If you have large, painful varicose veins, or if you notice changes in the color or texture of the skin around the veins, it's important to consult a doctor. Another frequently asked question is, are there any side effects to using lemon for treating varicose veins? For most people, using lemon, as described in this video, is safe and well tolerated. However, if you have sensitive skin, topical application of lemon juice may cause irritation. In this case, stick to internal consumption of lemon. Also, if you have a citrus allergy or are taking certain medications, it's best to consult with a doctor before starting this or any new treatment regimen. Now let's talk about consistency. Like many natural remedies, using lemon for varicose veins requires patience and regular application to see the best results. Don't expect miracles overnight, but with consistent use, you should start noticing improvements in your vein health within a few weeks to a couple of months. I also want to emphasize the importance of prevention. Even if you don't have varicose veins now, incorporating lemon into your diet and skincare routine can help keep your veins healthy and reduce the risk of developing varicose veins in the future. It's much easier to prevent them than to treat them once they've appeared. In conclusion, lemon is a powerful, natural tool in the fight against varicose veins. Its high content of vitamin C, flavonoids, and other beneficial compounds makes it an excellent choice for improving vein health. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Here's to your health and beautiful varicose-free legs. Bye-bye.